Python descriptors can implement the strategy pattern and make it completely invisible to callers. Here's how. A descriptor is any Python object that defines $get, $set, or $delete. Assign a descriptor instance as a class attribute, and Python automatically routes attribute access through those methods on every instance. That interception point is the key. Here's the strategy pattern connection. Each descriptor class encapsulates a different algorithm. A RangeValidator enforces numeric bounds in $set. A RegexValidator pattern matches strings. A lazy loader defers computation in $get. These descriptor instances, assigned as class attributes, are your strategy objects. Swap strategies by assigning a different descriptor to the same attribute slot. The same object.attribute call fires a completely different algorithm, depending on which descriptor sits there. Concrete example. RangeValidator and RegexValidator both implement $set with different logic. In the person class, age equals RangeValidator 0 to 150, name equals RegexValidator for capital letters. Setting person.age to 200 raises value error automatically. No explicit call needed. That's the advantage over traditional strategy pattern. Callers write clean attribute syntax instead of calling validator.validate explicitly. The pattern disappears. Python descriptors are strategy objects with built-in dispatch. Swap the descriptor, swap the behavior, all through natural attribute access. Try implementing one today. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.